Welcome to the wonderful world of farm animals. Today, we're going to learn all about the furry, feathery, and friendly creatures that call the farm home. First, we have the duck, webbed-feet bird that loves to swim. Next up is the bird that has feathers covering their bodies. This is a horse, the large mammal with strong legs and hooves. Now, let's learn about the chicken that lay eggs and provide meat. Goats are curious mammals with horns and hooves. Sheep are woolly mammals with thick coats of fleece. A dog is a furry friend who loves to play and protect. A cow is a gentle giant for legs and a big appetite for grass. A rabbit is a small furry animal with long ears and fluffy tail. A rooster is a proud bird with colorful feathers and a loud crow.